the ride. Dave, of course, yeah. Hey, listen, we're good friends, so what can I say? Okay. From Mount Calvary Church, way in the back. And of course, before we, just absolutely wonderful, we have Reverend Glover. Yes. And we have with us today the Honorable Ralph Lightfoot, Mosquito Commissioner.
We want to thank these Women's Democratic Club for doing such a marvelous and necessary work. We're blessed here in Palm Coast to have had among us a living legacy, which is Shirley. She made a tremendous contribution to the community. She made a tremendous contribution to the world. I was honored to be her pastor. In fact, I was honored to be her only pastor ever in her history. She never joined another church other than First AME Church.
All right.
And we were excited about her. She made a great contribution to the church. If you have the time, you can come by. We have a room dedicated to Shirley for the children so that they can learn about her. And we thank the women of this Women's Democratic Club for now giving us a plaque that we can constantly rehearse that amidst our presence there was a legacy. And her name was Shirley Chisholm.
Amen. Thank you. Okay, steering committee, please. Wait, everybody, just wait. One, two, three. Woo!